Little explorers, welcome to Happy English World. Today, we have a super fun adventure with the letter Z. Are you ready to learn about animals, fruits, vehicles, planets, and shapes that start with Z? Let's go! First, let's meet some amazing animals that start with Z. Zebras have black and white stripes. Can you say zebra? Let's say it together. Zebra? This little lizard has a long tail with black and white stripes, just like a zebra. Wow! This beautiful butterfly has black and white wings with a little bit of blue and red. Flutter, flutter. Ziziphus fruit. This small, round fruit is sweet and tasty. Would you like to try one? Zest. Do you know what zest is? It's the outer part of a lemon or orange that makes food smell amazing. Zeppelin. A zeppelin is a big airship that floats in the sky. It looks like a giant balloon. Wow, it's so cool! Zundab motorcycle. This is a special kind of motorcycle from Germany. Zeta Reticuli is a star system far away. Astronomers love to study it. It's amazing. A zigzag shape goes up and down, up and down. Can you draw a zigzag in the air? Zigzag, zigzag? We had so much fun learning about the letter Z today. Can you remember some words that start with Z? Let's say them together. Zebra, Ziziphus, Zeppelin, Zeta Reticuli, zigzag. Yay! If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun learning videos on Happy English World. See you next time. Bye-bye.